Hello guys, I'm making a video of error called anti-pollution system. It appears when I was driving in a snowy weather. It normally happens when your diesel particle filter is not working properly. Along with this error, another error appears, which is check auto gearbox. So it means that your diesel particle filter, which is inside the car, is not working properly. So the solution is to replace the diesel particle filter or use a liquid called diesel particle filter cleaner. That's very cheap. So here I'm using diesel particle filter cleaner. That is a cheap solution. Of course you have to clean your diesel particle filter. So here I put the diesel particle filter inside the diesel tank where you normally put your diesel, and after putting the diesel I close the lid and I drive for approximately 20 minutes at 3000 to 4000 rpm, and you can see that when I start the car again there was no error. After that I approximately drive more than 2000 kilometers and the error goes away and the car is working perfectly and there's no error at all.